Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog teepee bed that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the little Dove Dog Teepee Bed. A good value teepee that is provided with no cushion is standard. You can purchase a cushion from the supplier at additional cost or pop your own fleece or bed inside. There are 5 size options for this teepee, and this is the second biggest size, which would suit a Yorkie or a Chihuahua. It's made from 100% white cotton with pine poles and takes only 5 minutes to put up. Washing is super easy too, as you can cold wash it in the washing machine and even tumble dry it on low heat. The rubber protective mat with anti-slip grooves is an added bonus. The gorgeous chalkboard that you can mark up with Pooch's name is a gorgeous finishing touch. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Zaihe Teepee Dog Bed. Your little Chihuahua or Yorkie, or any Pooch of a similar size, will look so sweet curled up in this adorable, 24-inch high teepee. There is a bigger version available for slightly larger dogs. The sturdy, natural cotton canvas is printed with a navy and white star design and had button tiebacks. It arrives pre-assembled and is quick and easy to put up and take down. It is supplied with a matching cushion, but this does not have a removable cover. There is also a little chalkboard for your doggie's name. The tent itself is machine washable and you can tumble dry it on a low setting. At number 3, we have the Zaihe Teepee Tent for dogs. You can give your Pooch their own lovely space with this 100% white cotton canvas tent, no cushion provided. There is no assembly, you just have to open it up. There are 5 sides which reach up to a maximum height of 28 inches and suits dogs up to 15 pounds. The durable fabric is soft and breathable with no dangerous chemicals. When it needs washing, you can put it on a gentle machine wash and then air or tumble dry. At number 2, we have the pink Pet Teepee Bed. If you are looking for a stylish teepee bed that comes complete with comfortable cushion, then the pink Pet Teepee Dog and Cat Bed might be just what you are looking for. The teepee is made from machine washable natural cotton canvas that is sturdy enough to withstand everyday use. The removable cotton cushion sits comfortably in the teepee and provides your dog with comfort and security. The teepee itself is non-flammable and flame retardant. It is pre-assembled and is easy to put up and take down as required. The lightweight design is ideal for use outdoors on sunny days, giving your pet Pooch a break from the sun while allowing them to enjoy the fresh air. And finally, at number 1, we have the Little Dove Pet Teepee House. Made out of durable cotton canvas, this 24-inch pet teepee is great for Pooches under 66 pounds. Private spaces for dogs don't come much more chic than this. The cotton canvas tent is dark gray and fits around pine poles. There are pretty little features to make the teepee even more cute. The edge of the canvas is trimmed with no yarn pom-pom balls. It comes with a matching mat also trimmed with pom-poms, which fits perfectly inside the tent. There is a reinforcement part which helps it to stay open and keep in shape. There are loads of other gorgeous designs if plain gray is not your thing. Wash in cold water and air dry or in a tumble dryer on low heat.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon